Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? What we have here is a beautiful 30-inch Lions Club porcelain sign. I'm going to go ahead and say this is new old stock because there isn't so much as a screw mark or anything in this. Has never been deployed, could not have stayed in this kind of shape. It's an absolute beautiful piece. If you've been looking for a piece from the Lions Club or just want a big piece of beautiful art, this is for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.